Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lawrence and you're watching Unruptured TV. So in this channel we do random stuff. When I say random, I mean lifestyle, travel, gaming, food, fitness, sports. Oh my god, anything. Anything that I can possibly think of, right? So basically today we won't be unboxing anything new, but we're gonna be unboxing in a sense that we're gonna be taking something out of the box because it's been there for 4 years. Okay, so I will be replacing the ear cups for a 6-year-old JBL Everest headphone that I've been using. Some of you might have already seen it when I posted pictures of me traveling back to the Philippines. So it's the pink headphones that I had around my neck. What's weird about this is that the ear cups of this headphone started to deteriorate 2 years after I bought it, which is, I would say, not acceptable, but it is what it is, right? So I decided to order a replacement ear cup from Shopee. I've had these ear cups since 2020 and I only decided to replace the ear cups 3 weeks ago before I flew to Manila. That's how lazy I am. I won't be keeping you for long, but before we proceed any further, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you get alerted. And if you're watching this on Facebook, you can also comment !notify so you get alerted when I go live and when I play my games. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here are a few things that you might want to know about the JBL Everest 300 that I didn't really read when I first got my hands on them. It uses Bluetooth 4.1, sculpted ear cushions, 20-hour battery life, JBL Pro audio sound, Share Me 2.0 that allows you to share your music to another Bluetooth headphone, and a built-in microphone with echo cancellation. So this is just to show you that these are really used headphones and that I've had them for the last 6 years. Let me also show you how the headphones actually look like. So straight right out of the box, you can clearly see the deterioration of the ear cups on these headphones. It may look filthy and smelly, but trust me, it doesn't, because I didn't get the chance to wear it for a long period of time, and I can't wear it for long periods of time because it's too tight and it's giving me a bad headache. These are the replacement ear cups that I was talking about earlier. And remember that part where I said that I've had them for a very long time? Yes, I've had them since December 2021, and this video is being shot January 2023. Alright, so let's go ahead and take these filthy looking ear cups off. Let's take those excess glue off as well. Unfortunately, this one just doesn't want to come off, so I'm gonna need a little bit of a help from a screwdriver here. So we're gonna try and pry it open and then pull it apart. There you go. So let's just make sure that the surface is clean so that the 3M tapes of the new ear cups would adhere properly and the new ear cups wouldn't fall off. Aside from double-sided tapes, you're gonna have to align these two plastic standoffs onto those two holes on the headphones. All you're gonna have to do is to line them up and press it against each other to make sure that your double-sided tape adheres. You can do the same thing on the other pair and you're good to go. And there you have it. So we have just replaced the ear cups of our JBL Everest 300, and definitely the ear cups doesn't have anything to do with the sound quality or whatsoever. But since we're already here, let's just give this boy a test run and see if this is still working, because it's been 4 years since I last used them. And you might also be interested as to how music would come out from a 6-year-old JBL Everest 300. So you might want to lower down your volume a little bit from this point because the sound might be too loud. And please don't tell me I didn't warn you, okay? So that's it. I guess it's working pretty fine, and I'm gonna have to stop it because I don't want to risk getting any copyright strikes. So that's it for today, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to this channel as of yet, please consider to subscribe. It would help my channel grow. And I really hope that I'll be able to create more content that would add value or bring value to the table rather than just creating some trash content. You know what I mean. So, as always, if you're a content creator or streamer, keep streaming. Keep creating those videos even if nobody's watching. Eventually, someone will do. Your Tito Lawrence is out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye-bye.